Exchanging currency abroad can be a bit of a stressful process. You can exchange currency at your local bank, but there are often high fees and you have to carry around cash with you, which, if you're like me, I don't really like taking that risk. Especially in cities like Madrid and Rome, where pickpocketing is very common. But luckily, the sponsor of today's video, Wise, has a debit card that you can use around the world to withdraw native currency at ATMs or just pay like a normal debit card. And Wise lets you transfer money internationally, free from hidden fees, for much less than your traditional bank. I have been wanting to make this video for a while, and I'd like to thank Wise for agreeing to sponsor this video. Wise is the platform I use to exchange my currency when moving from the United States to Europe. It is so easy, it feels like you're just using any other cash transfer app. Let me show you how it works. You can either use Wise on your desktop computer at wise.com, or you can download the Wise app in the App Store on your iPhone or any other phones. You can register with your email address or Google, Facebook, or Apple ID profiles. Next step to choose is if you will want a personal or business account. The personal account was good for my needs and what will be highlighted in this video, but the business account is great if you are conducting business internationally. You simply choose the country of primary residence. You'll enter your phone number, create your password, and voila, you're all signed up. Now let me show you how easy it is to send money. Click the green Send Money button, then select the currency you are sending, enter the amount you want to send or the exact amount you would like to receive. All of the fees and exchange rate breakdowns will be shown to you transparently. Wise provides mid-market exchange rates, which means that there are no hidden fees. How much the transfer will cost will be upfront before you agree to make the transfer. I personally looked at many options before transferring my money from the United States to Europe, and by far Wise had the lowest fees and the best exchange rates. Then you select the recipient, the person who will be receiving the funds. It could be you, someone else, or a business organization. Then you will enter the recipient account details. This is very important that you triple check the details to make sure you are entering the correct info, as if you enter them incorrectly, Wise cannot guarantee you will be able to receive the funds back. Before you make the transfer, you will need to verify yourself with a national ID from whichever country you reside in. Your name, date of birth, and address. Any financial institution is required by law to verify who you are. Wise states that any sensitive information is encrypted and will be kept private. Now you will select your payment method and transfer your funds. You will see options for whether you want a cheaper and slower transfer or a faster and more expensive option. Once you send the funds, you will receive a confirmation. And you might be surprised that it says it was sent immediately. But this will depend on the payment method you choose and whether you are verified or not. If you send money by bank transfers outside of normal banking hours, your transfer could take a little bit longer. You will be able to check the status of your transfers by simply clicking on the transfer. As I stated before, I used Wise when moving from the United States to Europe, and once you are all verified, it is so easy to transfer funds abroad, and most of the time they are instant. If you want to see more videos with tips on moving to Portugal or the rest of Europe, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button because I will be posting videos like this every single week on this channel. This is some guy named Dave in Portugal, and hopefully we'll see you next time.